In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not being able to move elements in your Canva design. There are multiple reasons for this, and the first is that your element may be locked. For example, this background, which has this noise texture, I can't move it right now if I try to move it. As you can see, it just deselects. And if you just click on the element, you'll see here that the locked icon is turned on. Just click on that, and now it's unlocked, and now you can move it. If that didn't solve your issue, then another reason may be that your element is grouped. So if I try, for example, to move this word sand or this word box, then I can't really move it independently. I'll have to ungroup first. So to ungroup, just select the whole group and then click on ungroup, or you can click Ctrl-Shift-G. So I'm going to click ungroup, and now we can actually move these elements independently, just like this. So if this also didn't fix your issue, this may be a browser glitch. So you'll have to probably restart your browser or try using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, any different browser, and test it there. If it worked there, that means your browser has some errors that made this not work. So that's another issue. Another very common issue is that the design you are looking at and trying to edit may be a design that is shared. So here's an example. I have this design that is shared with me, and the access that is given to me is just viewing access. So I can just view this design and look at it. I can't really move any element, and you can tell this by looking at the top bar here and seeing viewing here. And if you click on this, read only. So yeah, if these are disabled, that means you can't really change this design up, and you'll have to request for edit access. If none of these options are working, then the last option that might solve your issue is that to check your internet connection. So if your internet connection is not good enough or very slow, then you can tell that if you see this icon in your Canva design. If you see this as something else other than all changes saved or something like data saved or something like that, then that means there's some issues in your internet connection, and you'll have to wait for your internet to become good again, and then try moving your elements. And that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.